Here we go. Winter time. It's gonna get cold. Got a lot of work to do on the Beamer. Broken valve spring. Look for that inclusion. Zoom in on that. Look at that. I'm gonna take this to a scientist to get it under the microscope for some analysis. Here's Emrys. It's gonna be cold. See outside. Here's Merlin, ready for the trip to Two Wheel Dyno Works. Get refreshed on the dyno. Check valve clearances again. Oh, there's the Duramax. Anyways, let's keep the warmth in here. Time to get to work, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.